Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change iPhone lock screen clock back to Arabic numerals on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first just swipe down from the middle top of the screen to open up the lock screen, and then just hold down to bring up that editor mode. On that mode you can first select any wallpaper that you want to change, and then just hit right here at customize. Then select a lock screen and then tap at time widget. Now right here you can change the font and font color in that simple way, but also you can hit right here at that globe icon, and from here you can switch it to Arabic in that simple way. Also, you can select Arabic Indic and Devanagari in that simple way. Just hit on that and change it to another two types of numerics. Once you finished with that, just hit somewhere here and then hit at done to save the changes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.